Okay, guys. So if you have a Bissell Revolution Pet Pro and you just kind of want to brush up on things like installing the new belts or installing the brush, I have I have 3 videos that I want to share with you. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. So you'll tune into this one, tune into the next one, tune into the next one, right? I kind of want to make them short and sweet. So kind of look out for them. Put the notification bells on so you can know when they're about to come back up. But the last one is going to be about the Revolution steam, the hydro steam, because we want to access the belt compartment for that one. But the first one is going to be about the Bissell Revolution Pet Pro. So if you want to know how to change a belt, and I did 2 belts, to 3 belts actually, stay tuned. All right. So the next thing is changing your belt. All right. Changing the belt on these things is not difficult at all, but it's something that eventually you're going to have to get to. Okay. What I like about these new ones here versus the older Revolution is that you just press the little button, you pull this up, this comes right off. You're able to get access to your belt chamber. Okay. Then you have 2 belts on these Bissells. You have the basic pump belt, okay, which is this flat one right here, and then you have your geared belt, okay, for your brush. The geared belt goes from the actual shaft, kind of the geared shaft, to the first brush. Okay, I've seen people try to put the thinking that it's supposed to like wrap around the whole thing. What it does is that on this end it wraps around both things. Hey, look at that. On this end it will wrap around both to kind of keep them in unison, right? But for here to here, this is just to activate that first brush. Okay, and you just want to get that. What I can do is later on I will put this brush number, this belt number, in the description. I don't have it on me right now, and I can't really stop the type right now. Okay. All right. And then, but to get to this, to get to where you change your belt, you're going to have to go through here. Okay. So what you're going to end up having to do is take off your actual, you have to take this off first. Okay. And slide the belt through. Let me try to do that for you guys while I'm here. Okay. So you're going to end up having to take off this end cap, slide this belt off. Okay, and kind of try to keep this together, and then we're going to slide the new belt on and go that way. So let's do that. Let me get a little stand for this. I don't like the way that it is set up right now. Actually, no, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Here we go. Let's start. All right. So I'm going to take this off first. Okay, let's just slide this out, guys. Okay. Hey, I hope I'm assuming none of you are in Florida right now. Look, watching. If you are, hopefully you're safe somewhere. You have family out there. I hope they're safe. I have some family in Florida in Jacksonville. Okay. All right. So now, what you can do, you see, like it's still together. I recommend changing these things once a year, guys. At least twice if you're good, but once a year at least. All right. So I just slid it through the little hole here, and I'm just gonna pull it out. Okay, now this belt actually do need changing. Take a look at that. See how eaten out it is? Okay, so this belt do need changing, all right? And I believe I have another belt. I should have another belt. I had it up here a second ago. All right, I'm gonna put a new belt on this bad boy. Let's not wait any longer. Okay, this is for the hydro steam. If let me call out this number. These belts were hard to find a while ago. They are available now. This is the pump belt for the this is the pump belt. Take a look. It is the 1606428. 1606428. That's the belt number over here, guys. Okay, if you need to look, if you can check our site. If I don't have it on site, just let me know and I'll make sure I list it properly for you. I can ship it out to you, okay? All right. Let me get my other belt here. Oh, here it is. All right. Okay. So 1606428. All right, same belt. This is the same belt. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to put the belt down. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm actually going to slide this in first, like this, just kind of so I can do this. You see that? And then I'll just loop it over the shaft, just like that. Okay. And I'll be honest with you, if any of you guys are kind of a little bit kind of wary about trying these things, just go for it. It's best that you just try and make a couple of mistakes, just like I'm doing with live. Just try. Just try and make your mistakes, and man, you can improve it as you go. Don't let fear stop you, right? Okay. Now, take a look at what's happening here. Now, this you're gonna have to stretch this, okay? So, what I recommend, get something hard, like this little thing. You can get a screwdriver or something, and let that be the pulley that you're using to put the belt on the shaft. Don't if you're not strong enough. I'm fairly strong, but I'm still not going to use my hand, because you can kind of get your hand clamped and kind of crimp it at the shaft back here. Okay, so watch how I do this. I'm just going to use this. This is going to be my pulley. Okay, and I'm just going to pull it back there, and then what I'm going to do, look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of almost use it as leverage. You see that leverage? What I'm doing? Okay, and then let it slide down. Okay, it's best if you have something with a handle. Let me get my screwdriver with a handle. I don't want to dig my hand with this. All right, take a look. So let's do the same thing. Let's do it again. So I put it here like this. Okay, and then now you can, if you want, you can use your hand and you can kind of slide it on there. And there you go. And pull it out, and the belt is on. Okay, save your fingers. Okay, save your fingers, folks. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And listen, next time, I want to see if I can get, as many subscribers as possible to kind of tune into this channel. I'm really trying to kind of change things around and shift things up. So look out for some more and better things to come. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please do. All right, and thanks for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, I guess it's a thing on the YouTube, sphere, the world of YouTube, that 60% of the people don't subscribe that watches your video. So that's just the way it is. All right. And don't forget, guys, I do have a journal that I put out. It's on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can become a member, or if you like, you can go and check out this journal, pick one up, give one to a friend, keep one for yourself, help the kids set goals. It's a pretty cool setup. So give it a shot and see if you like it, and give me some feedback on that, okay? Okay, until next time, guys. Like I said, look out for the next video. All right.